And I'll show you today how to change the color of some object in Photoshop. This is our picture image, and for example I would like to change the color of this egg, Easter egg, that our duckling holding. Okay, so I'm going to use object selection tool, and by clicking left click of my mouse and holding it, I'm doing like my object to be inside this rectangle. And then when I see that my object is selected, I'm going to edit tool, find fill in the list, choosing color intense. I will choose the color I wish to give for my egg and press OK. That's it. Now the egg is pink. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.